teachers and my dear friends. I am Ritika Singh from class 10 along with my fellow friends from 8th and 9th. Standing before you to talk on eradication of poverty as today is 17th October, known for the International Eradication of Poverty Day. First of all, I wanted to give a glimpse on what is poverty. Poverty is defined as a condition where the basic needs of the family are not fulfilled. Poverty is like a disease. Poverty is one of the major problems in the world. Poverty is mostly seen in rural regions. Poverty causes illiteracy and overpopulation. People living in poverty do not have enough money for their basic needs such as food and shelter. Poverty is the main reason for the weakening of the economy in the chronic hunger. What is chronic hunger? Situation in chronic hunger is whispered among numerous people of Indian villages, and cities cannot afford enough food every day to be healthy and lead an active life. Hunger is not just painful to bear, it is also destructive. Hunger and calorie deficiency is related to undernourishment. Undernourishment children do not grow as quickly as healthy children. Mentally, they may grow slowly. Mothers having constant hunger problems make you underweight and weak babies. Constant hunger, chronically hungry, do not have access to sufficient food and therefore are undernourished. Poverty focus on improving education, health, and access to basic needs like clean water and sanitization. Key strategies also include giving more jobs and economical opportunities. Thus, initiative skills like training and small business supports implement to social safety rules. To eradicate poverty in India, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act guarantees of 100 days wages for all the households. Atal Pension Yojana for retirement by providing pension of pension. Thank you. Poverty status in India. India has seen a significant reduction in poverty, particularly extreme poverty, which fell to 2.3% in 2022 to 23. According to World Bank, under 2.15% and the day dropped to 16.2% and 2.3% in 2022 to 23. But still we are far away from achieving low poverty in India. Based on National Multidimensional Poverty Index, from 2019 to 2021, Bihar is regarded as the highest populated poverty state in India, and other states for high poverty regarded including Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand.